So as well as my own grab to do a new box section and weld old tines of bushes in there, right. I have this McConnel Muck grab, you see. Boxes are right, the bushes are totally worn out and the spikes are pretty worn and what's bent, etc. So I'm going to burn the old bushes out and the new bushes, new spikes, and weld them in. They were totally worn out. There's bits of spacers and washers just to get the taper in it a bit tighter, but they're just totally worn out now. They're all slack. So new bushes and new tines should be right then. You do take the top and rams off and pipes, so less way to flip it around and nothing really to burn the pipes, etc. So yeah, that's it really. So that's it, burned it round freehand with a plasma then. So ready to weld all those in. So just setting it all up to tack them in place. So the angle iron is holding them, is all level, both of them leveled up, the back and the angle iron. So it's holding the tines level, spikes level, and all in line then, same distance out. Okay, the bushes are all welded up now, around them each side. This is the back now. I'm just turning around now to weld the wear strips underneath and the strengthening plates on the sides there. The sides are rusted a bit thin right at the bottom where the muck was, so it'll strengthen all up those corners then. And these will save actual box section itself wearing when you push it, drag it on the floor to get a load in really. Okay, finished it welding off. I'll give it a coat of red oxide now, bottom of it and the back then. I'll flip it up and paint the rest of the bottom then. So that's it, pretty much done. Just need to put it back together, the top bit there. So that's it done. Couple new bolts each side and use die grinder to make the holes bigger because they're worn in. So they're nice and tight now. So she's done now. So the old bushes inside it were actually only these collars right at the front. There's nothing at the back. Only had these collars at the front for the taper, and then just the ordinary box at the back. So no wonder they had gone slack and worn the box out really. The new bushes are full length, from the front to the back. We've got a lot of taper as well in them, and the nut itself goes into a thick piece of steel, so it shouldn't go like that again. Okay, thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now.